Let's do the reading now. Today's question is, what should I know at the moment? Okay, so we have three piles to choose from. Hope you can see everything clearly. This time I got an goddess card as a guidance. Let's start. Let's start with the watch. Watch is one. The holder is two, and headphones. Okay, let's start with the watch cards. Okay, I'm very excited about the goddess cards. Let's see. Oh, Athena, inner wisdom. Athena, inner wisdom. You know what to do. Trust your inner wisdom and take appropriate action without delay. See, and then you have a owl too, and owl signifies inner wisdom. Okay, let's see your tarot cards. Oh, okay. Wow, beautiful cards. Okay, so you have Justice and Eight of Cups. Okay, Justice rings a bell. Why? Because justice is not about what you think is right, or what others think is right, or you deserve it, or they deserve it, or anything. It's about the universal balance. What universe thinks is right, based upon your past life, present karma, everything. What soul contracts, everything. So justice is bound to happen. So you might have to use your inner wisdom, because Athena came up. She says that you know what to do. You don't have to worry about what if. You have to just stop asking and then believe your guidance. Don't question logically, don't go emotionally, just see what comes from within your soul. Stay quiet, listen to music, write, paint, do whatever calls your heart, and then take the decision, and then just go. See the person. Okay, see, in the Eight of Cups card you could see that there is a big tower, and there is a hill which is like completely full of stones. Okay, and the person has everything. He has 8 cups. Okay, but he's still not satisfied, so he's just walking off, even if it is like difficult. See, if he goes, he's walking back the hill. Okay, it's a difficult process. Okay, he has to climb up. So climbing is always difficult, getting down is easier, but still the person is trying to climb up. So it means that whatever he had come all the way to this place, but still he is not satisfied, so he's just walking off. He doesn't really care. He's ready to put in the work. So if you're going through a difficult process, believe that universe will deliver it justice, and just walk the path. If you don't like something, take the step and move ahead. Okay, and Athena says that it's inner wisdom, and she always comes up whenever she says that you could do everything on your own. You don't really have to ask people or believe in them or anything. Okay, let's see what the I have a book from this goddess guidebook, so let me read up some stuff. I want you to see the cards, so sorry for the difficulty. Okay, Athena. Okay. Athena says that I'm happy to assist you. However, you will be most thrilled when you first consult your own inner bank of knowledge. For I assure you that the situation is already resolved, and you have access to all the wisdom that the universe supplies. So look within. You must quiet your mind, surrender all worries and other concerns to this loving and almighty power of the universe. You can even ask me to give a signal, ask for a feather, or ask for someone to give you a flower, or some present or something. Okay, and other meanings what I could say is don't think too much. Okay, don't expect for the take the decision. Be powerful. When you take a decision and start doing things and take responsibility for yourselves, you feel more powerful. So always take responsibility, do things, fall down, get up and do stuff. Trust your gut. Don't second guess yourself. Okay, if you are getting something like might be I will do that, might be I should try that, might be if you are thinking like that, just do it. Go ahead and do it. Fall down, get hurt. Getting hurt is better. Okay, thank you. Okay, so one goes the other way. Let's start with the holder now. Okay, let's see your cards because I'm excited about the tarot cards. Wow. Oh man. Who is your goddess? Oh, Hathor. See? Okay. Hopefully you can see the cards. Okay. Hangman, Chariot, and allow yourself to receive. This will increase your intuition, energy, and ability to give to others. See? See, you have two major arcana. Hangman and Chariot, which are completely opposite. So I think you have been mulling over, thinking, reflecting, contemplating, collecting data, doing so, and seeing things from different perspective. Formulating a plan. You have been doing all those things from for like quite a while. Okay, and the thing which you have been thinking is also like might be quite important to you. So that is the reason you have taken this like different step. Might be you're trying to get married, might be you're trying to start a job, might be you're trying to take a different path which you have not done till yourself till now, or you are trying to deal with someone who is very argumentative, you are trying to deal with someone who is toxic. You want to approach them differently and you don't want to take a reactive basis, so you are in hangman position. Okay. Great. I think you have done like now we are in Mercury retrograde, and I think it just started like in June 17th or 18th. Okay. Chariot is the Cancer card. So I think we are almost coming into Cancer. I think we are in Cancer time. I'm sorry. So I think in the July month you should start doing stuff, and stuff is also coming up to you. Things are moving forward, or things are coming to you, and I think you should take action. You should stop being in the hangman position, and you should start taking things up if you had to start doing. And see, you have to be balanced, because there is a black horse and a white horse, and if you can see, the white horse is going straight and the black horse is going in its own way. Okay, so you might have to keep your positive and negative thought theory in and yang in like controlled frame. Or if it is your family, you might have someone might want to do something else, someone might want to do something else, so you might have to talk to them. You might have to get them in control, or like get them in same negotiate and get whatever you can. And if someone is trying to come to you and do something for you, please accept it. And because why I'm saying is, even sometimes people don't want to accept, they just want to give. That giving is good, but sometimes if you accept, that is also good. It's like when you give someone something, you feel really great. But even if you accept also, you are making someone else feel better, and that is also a great thing, you know. What else I can tell you is like you have to just as per the you have been still and listen. Don't feel guilty if you are receiving someone's present. If you need help, ask for it. See that you are in a learning cycle. Whenever you are receiving, you are in a feminine energy. Mostly masculine energy people want to give, and feminine energy always like receiving mode. Okay. Just say thank you and receive stuff. Okay. I think it's like Hathor comes up whenever she wants to tell that most people nowadays, if they want to give people, they want to surprise and all those. Okay. It's like giving should be balanced at one point of time, so that everything should stay in balance. You should not be that one person who gives. Okay. So that yin and yang in you should also balance. Okay. Reciprocity allows you to better hear the voices of the signals. voices of the angels. When you receive, you have more resources to give to others. Begin by noticing the hundreds of gifts you receive every day, whether it is seeing beauty in nature, witnessing a touching human moment, or being hugged by a loved one. Simply say thank you for all the gifts you receive, and know that they are filling up your storehouse. Receive all the good things, feel happy, and just stay blessed. Thank you. Hopefully you got to see the cards properly. This is a beautiful card, Hathor. Okay. Let's move to the third. Okay, the headphones one, okay? Let's see your cards. Wow. Oh. 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 Okay. Hopefully you could see. Let's keep them like this. Imanya, some golden opportunity. Important doors are opening for you right now. Walk through them. See the cards and I will come in a minute. Oh, the Vimanya card is so beautiful. I have never seen this so interesting. Okay, you have beautiful Lovers card and King of Cups. Okay, let's see these cards properly. Okay, I'm just trying to. In the Lovers card, you could see a love child putting an arrow into the person. Okay, this person has two choices. He has to make either this one or this. But if you could see, this could be his mother, and this could be the lady he has to marry. But he has to choose whether to make the decision or not. Okay, and this is the King of Cups. Might be if you're looking for marriage or a business. See, there are multiple things I could see. It's like King of Cups is a water sign card, and it is July. It's the Cancerian card, and lovers. Might be love is entering your life, or this King of Cups person who is a Cancer, Scorpio or Pisces is thinking to make a decision. He has to make a choice. He has multiple options. He has to choose whether should he marry or should he take that chance and take a decision. Lovers is a major arcana, so I think it makes a drastic change in his life. He's thinking about multiple things. If it is about a person who is coming to marry you, if this person is thinking of, if you are thinking of marriage, and if you are a water sign person, even if you are not a water sign, I think at the moment he is a very balanced, emotionally available person, but in a negative sense he can be very good at manipulation also. Okay, he is thinking of he had to make a big decision in his life. Okay, either it is regarding a job or an opportunity, partnership or lovers. Okay, he had to make a choice because he thinks that the both of them are about the same level. He thinks that you are at the same level, or you think that the other person is at the same level as you. There is some connection, but still you want to outweigh all your decisions. Example, if you're thinking about marrying a person, you are thinking that, oh, will that person be able to adjust with me, or oh my god, that person is living in a joint family, will I be able to adjust with them? Oh my god, is that person stubborn, or how is this person? Should I take the chance? Should I stand up? How will that person be if I take so much of action? Will they do as I please? Will it be good for me in long term? Or if it is a job thing, this person is thinking, oh, should I do this? Will it be lucrative for me in long term? How will this person be? See, and he has a I think Venus is helping the other person by putting an arrow to the since the arrow is directed towards a man, I'm thinking that the Venus is trying to help the lady find the man, but it is. And if you see, the lady is just staring. She could influence him, but the lady is also not influencing him. So we might have to think of all these things. Do you really want that person? If you want that person, you might have to influence the man. You might have to talk to him. You might have to get to know him. You might have to appease to him. All these things. And if you want a job, you have to be extra. If you want a job, or if you are trying to do business, you have to be extra proactive in getting the deal with the King of Cups man, because that's the only way you can get on his good side. He's an impartial person, but people are still people, and since it is, you are already being helped by the love angel Venus, but still instead of just staring, the woman could do something, and the man is just staring into the sky. So I think it would help. Okay. And let's see your angel card. Oh, goddess angel card. Okay, Emania, golden opportunity. Wow, important doors are opening for you. Walk through them. Take the opportunity. Wow, how beautiful she is. And there is a dolphin, I guess, right? Yeah, there is a dolphin. Beautiful. Dolphins, I feel like they symbolize freedom for me. What else I could tell you? I think you should not overthink, and I think you should just do it. This is the right thing to do. Your prayers are being answered. Get ready for a big and happy change. Celebrate your success. I'm sorry. Okay. Celebrate your success. Know that you are qualified and ready for this new opportunity. Like an ocean, life moves in waves and tides. Timing is everything. So when an opportunity presents itself, take it. Don't overthink. You must dive in at the moment. Everything that you have done to prepare yourself will accompany you. Like the ocean, life is rich with variety and beauty. Enjoy experiencing its various rhythms and allow all doubts to be washed away. Beautiful cards for all the three piles. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will try my best to increase my content and the quality too. Thank you.